Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's Art. Welcome all the kids. Today we are going to learn the story of butterfly. So let's start. To make the butterfly, we need pencil, eraser, we need a ruler, we need pencil colors or colored pens or paints, that's our wish. So first step is in the center of your page, please draw a 10 centimeter long line. Now this line, we will draw the head of butterfly. Around this line, this is the head. Now we are drawing the body of butterfly and then we are drawing the tail part. Now two antennas. Our next step is to start a line from here, take it till here, little curve and bring here. We'll measure this side distance. Yes, both sides distance is same. Now, second set of wings. So, this is our base of the butterfly ready. And now we are going to make the design. One day, a man finds a butterfly emerging from its cocoon. He sits there and watches the butterfly struggle to come out through the tiny opening. After a while, he decides to help the butterfly when he sees that butterfly is not able to come out on its own. So he went home. Using a pair of scissors, the man snips off the cocoon and opens it fully. Now you know what happened? The butterfly emerges out easily, but its body was swollen and its wings were not developed. The man was waiting there. He sat hours and hours and hours, then days. He was waiting for the wings of butterfly to grow and he tries to nurse the butterfly, but nothing happened. Butterfly's wings did not grow. Its body was still swollen and butterfly spends the rest of her short life struggling to fly and crawling around. The man was trying to help the butterfly, but he did not realize that for butterfly to come out of its cocoon has to struggle a lot. Nature has designed the butterfly's body to struggle before it can fly. It struggles a lot when it comes out of its cocoon and then in the process, its wings are fully developed and the swelling from its body is removed. So what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is the struggles and hardships in life shape our personality. They make us courageous and they make us independent. We can do the things on our own if we struggle and work hard. So we have to gain something after working hard. We cannot get everything by our mummy papa's help or our grandparents' help. We have to struggle, and then only we will get the success in life. How do you like the story?
Nice, ma'am.
Nice, ma'am.
Sub.
Thank you, children. Thank you for watching. Thank you for drawing the butterfly. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing my YouTube channel, Vandana's Art. Namaste. Dhanyavad.